Remember when you could actually get like 8 ender pearls instead of 3 and 5? Those were the days. I'm sad they nerfed it. Oh well. I kind of want to sneeze. No, this always murders my commentary when I want... No. Okay, I don't think I'm going to sneeze. This is very exciting things to talk about, guys. Welcome to another episode. Me talking about sneezes. It does, though. Every time I like even want to sneeze, my commentary just dies. Unless I like make a concentrated effort. And if I really want to sneeze, it just dies. It wasn't that bad this time, though.